Costco sells the same DeWalt chainsaw as Home Depot for $329 less. The DeWalt 60-volt 14-inch chainsaw kit, $499.99 at Costco, $829 at Home Depot. Same brand, same voltage, same size, $329 cheaper at a store best known for rotisserie chickens and bulk toilet paper. That gap is not a sale. It is not a clearance event. It is not an error in the pricing system. It is the result of a structural constraint that Costco applies to every branded product it sells, and that Home Depot's margin requirements make impossible to match. But before you fill a flatbed cart with DeWalt tools at Costco, there is a catch that the price tag does not disclose, and it affects which DeWalt products you should buy there and which you should not. That gap is not a sale, not a clearance, and not an error. It is the 14% markup cap. Jim Sinegal and Jeff Brotman established the rule when they co-founded Costco in 1983. No branded item can ever be marked up more than 14% above cost. The rule is inviolate, printed at the beginning of the company's annual report as a foundational operating principle, and applies to every branded product, including DeWalt. Home Depot's margin requirements on branded power tools exceed 14%. They have to cover the cost of running 2,300 stores with pro desks, contractor services, dedicated tool departments, and the infrastructure that supports a $157 billion retailer. The gap between Costco's institutional markup cap and Home Depot's standard margin requirement is exactly what you see in the price difference on the chainsaw. $329. Structural, not promotional. Present. Every day, not just during a sales event. To understand why Costco can do this consistently and why DeWalt allows it, you have to understand what Costco's 78.4 million paid members mean to a manufacturer. A Costco member has already paid $65 for the right to shop there. That member is a committed buyer with above-average household income who makes fewer, larger purchases than the typical consumer. DeWalt gets access to that buyer at Costco's volume without the promotional calendar negotiations, the category management fees, or the co-op advertising requirements that Home Depot supplier agreements demand. The deal makes sense for DeWalt because Costco's sales volume offsets the lower per-unit margin. And it makes sense for Costco because the 14% cap is the reason the member paid $65 for the membership in the first place. The verified price advantages on identical DeWalt model numbers are specific and documented. The DeWalt 8-gallon wet-dry vacuum costs $94.99 at Costco versus $133.94 at Amazon. The DeWalt 6-gallon portable wall-mount wet-dry vacuum costs $124.99 at Costco versus $199.99 at Home Depot and Amazon. The DeWalt 60-volt circular saw kit costs $399.99 at Costco versus $499 at Home Depot. These are not approximations. They are current verified price comparisons on the same model numbers at the same point in time. The 14% cap produces real savings on real products that a real buyer can act on. Here is where the straightforward story gets complicated. Not every DeWalt product at Costco is the same as the DeWalt product at Home Depot with the same name. A tool expert consulted by Family Handyman stated the mechanism precisely. Costco often works with brands to create an exclusive or private label configuration that hits a specific price point. The Costco-Exclusive version may have less steel in the chassis, fewer features, or a pared-down warranty compared to the full retail version sold at Home Depot. The name on the box is the same. The model number may be different. The product inside may be a lighter-duty variant designed specifically for the Costco channel at the 14% margin constraint. That variant is genuine DeWalt, built to DeWalt's manufacturing standards, and a good value for a homeowner who uses a drill twice a year. It is not always what a contractor who uses the same tool 40 hours a week needs. The warranty complication compounds this. DeWalt's official warranty program covers tools purchased from the company itself or from authorized retailers on its official list. Costco's authorization status for DeWalt has been inconsistently reported by buyers attempting warranty claims, with some buyers documenting difficulty getting DeWalt service centers to honor warranties on Costco-purchased tools. The price advantage on the chainsaw is $329. If a warranty claim is declined on a tool that fails in year 2, the math changes. For a homeowner using the chainsaw 8 times a year, the risk is low and the savings are real. For a contractor using it daily, the warranty question is material. The final piece of this story is the brand Costco cannot carry. Milwaukee Tool, the professional cordless platform that dominates the contractor market and generates approximately $6 billion annually through Home Depot, is not at Costco. Not in limited quantities, not in exclusive configurations, not online. Milwaukee is simply not there, because TTY's exclusivity arrangement with Home Depot for the Milwaukee brand prevents any competing retailer from stocking it. The Costco pricing advantage therefore applies to DeWalt, but has no equivalent for Milwaukee. A contractor who has built their operation on M18 batteries cannot use Costco's pricing as leverage on their tool purchases the way a DeWalt contractor can. This is not a theoretical gap. It is a structural one that follows directly from the same exclusivity network that removed Klein from Home Depot's electrical aisle. What Costco does carry in place of Milwaukee, and where the most consistent Costco tool value lives, is Greenworks outdoor power equipment. The Greenworks 80-volt platform, compatible with over 75 tools, is sold at Costco at prices well below Milwaukee's MX Fuel outdoor equipment. Pro Tool Reviews rated the Greenworks 80-volt chainsaw as one of the most powerful battery chainsaws in its category. The same product sold at Costco at the 14% markup cap. The Costco Greenworks relationship is not an OEM mystery or a configuration compromise. It is a straightforward case of a full-featured, independently reviewed outdoor power platform priced through a retailer whose institutional constraint makes it cheaper than any named promotional event at Home Depot or Lowe's. The practical buying framework from all of this is specific. At Costco, buy DeWalt. When the model number matches exactly what you would buy at Home Depot, the vacuums and the chainsaw have identical model numbers at dramatically lower prices. Verify the model number before purchasing any Costco-exclusive bundle configuration to confirm it is not a lighter-duty variant. For outdoor power equipment, buy Greenworks at Costco and treat the Costco return policy as your warranty backstop. A member who returns a Greenworks chainsaw that underperforms gets their money back without a service center visit or a model number audit. For Milwaukee, Costco offers nothing, and the M18 buyer should price compare between Home Depot and Lowe's rather than looking to Costco for relief. The chainsaw is $329 cheaper at Costco. The structural reason it is cheaper will not go away next quarter. And knowing when that advantage applies to the exact product you need is worth more than any sales event flyer from either of the stores that cannot match it. If this changed how you think about where to buy your next DeWalt tool and why, subscribe. The pricing architecture behind these stores is more deliberate than the advertising suggests, and the details that matter most are almost never in the promotional email.